Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Thursday, March 25th. It's so good to be here today. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can go ahead and have a seat. Hey, I've been a little on the busy side this week, but third grade sent me a video of them doing the Pledge of Allegiance that looks amazing. I will put that into morning assembly one of these days so everyone can see that and do the Pledge of Allegiance with the third graders. They rocked it. If anybody else wants to send me one, just send me a video. You can just text it to me off your phone, and I can put that into the morning assembly. So we've been talking about just kind of taking care of business this week, right? Cleaning some stuff up. Everything is looking really nice. I want to continue that theme a little bit today. And I want to see if you guys can even help me think of other things that I'm not thinking of. Here's a couple things I'm thinking of. Number one, Monday, you went out there, you took care of the field, you made it look outstanding. I was just out there right now on Thursday morning, and there's a few rocks, not very many, but it's not as nice as Monday. If you guys take a couple minutes to clean up today, it'll keep that field really nice. You won't even have to spend 2 minutes per class, maybe 1 minute per class, and it'll just keep it nice. That way we don't have to wait till the field gets covered with rocks again before we clean it up. Second taking care of business thing is this. If you go out to the basketball court at recess, you'll notice that hanging from the fence is a whole bunch of lost and found. A weird thing happens. The weather's getting so nice, right? It's kind of chilly this morning. But as the day goes on today, I'm going to get warm. And then I'm going to get hot when I'm out running around at recess. And I'm probably going to take my jacket and just be like, oh, so hot. I can't wear that while I run around and play. Well, if you forget that your jacket's there, you're not going to think about this when you go home because you're going to be warm. It's going to be time to go home. You're going to put your backpack on and just head out the door of your classroom. But tomorrow morning, you're going to be cold. And also, your parents have to buy this stuff. It costs a lot of money. Jackets actually are probably one of the more expensive clothing items. Like jackets and shoes kind of cost a lot. There's probably hundreds of dollars worth of jackets hanging from that fence. So on your way out to recess today, check out the fence, look closely, see if you remember any of those jackets because I guarantee they belong to students from Achieve because nobody else has been here. So they have to be yours. So go find your jackets today, double check that field for me, and have a great day, Achieve.